Hi guys. It's been lost my way. Lost my way. Oh, lost my way. Ooh, the theme change. Cool. 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 I like the theme. Music video theme. Love it. Super cool. Okay. Like the theme. I just really wish you guys just, tell me. This dress is beautiful. The hair is cute. I look like a Barbie doll. The hair is gorgeous. Kind of miss it. Being in here. This is still the same, and just they would always change the color of it. If I had enough star coins, I would get this hair. But probably this color, this shirt, probably, and like a pants, and that's it. Oh. I don't understand my shirt no more. But someone sent a gift. Well, that's a surprise. Surprise. One give. Okay. I lost my way. Never, lost my way. Lost my way. Lost my way. Oh, lost my way. Oh, lost my way. Oh, lost my way. This is rare. I don't only see the snake elsewhere. I see all of these in stores. The snake. Let me change my character here. I don't know. Look at this. It's been such a while. Boy doesn't love me. He's ready something to be honest. Oh. Okay, I got information, you guys. This song is for 1 hour, okay? I'm too much in love with this song, so put it around 1 hour, okay? No, just me. So what? I don't even. I still remember what to do. So long.
Maybe it's your plate right there. You haven't cleaned it. Because your cup and everything is there. Clean it up.
Gotta say that during the video. Thanks a lot, Mom. I ain't doing shit. Lost my wife. Look at that pretty purple, light blue hair. It's beautiful. But it's VIP, so I can't have it. I gotta post the video down there. Where they could just 1 second, guys. Busy, I love you, but I had to move on to another video. Screw it. And not that part. Oh, bitch. Okay. He's beautiful music. There's something inside my mind. I don't want you to be there, baby. You should know right. You should know right. Good enough. To the same, I don't want you to be right, baby. Just right. for a while. Oh, does she miss me? Girl, I get out of for a while. I'm back-ish. Okay, yes, I don't sound a bit happy being back here. But you know, Becca, you know, not easy coming back to MSP, you know. I quit for that reason. It was getting boring. Yes, I see the new awesome things that it's been giving out, but it was getting boring. I'm sorry y'all don't feel. I'm sorry if I love you guys, the people who cared, but it was done. It's like, but I'm back now, but it's temporary. It's not. It's. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's a temporary back. I'm gonna leave again, but it's. Understand this, okay? It's Red Bow. Red Bow. Red Bow. Red Bow. It's just pretty much hard, and I haven't seen MSP person or App Boys or Demo him or Jack, so I stopped being on. I even kind of thought it was the right thing to stop being on, you know, stop playing it. I started playing this game more. Honestly, I started playing IMVU more than the MSP, and I have to give up MSP just so you. I hear this song a lot, okay? I didn't notice people would miss me, but I guess I just noticed it. It didn't feel right being on MSP anymore. It felt wrong for some reason. Gross. Gross. You know how many kids play in this game? Plus, I don't think this game is for kids anymore. Or, well, I know it's for kids and teenagers and stuff. But lately, it haven't been for kids. Some people are nasty as hell. And no more cursing. And they put naughty, so just naughty stuff. It's naughty as heck. And it's not appropriate for kids. MSP, you should know this, and you should stop it. Just do that. But then you give me more shit to do. Maybe I will come back one day, because this probably is going to be a few videos of IMVU. I mean, MSP, damn it. If MSP got more interesting and not boring, like if they add something new, a new thing, they add more new things every Thursday. Shit. Okay, gotta shut up. But one day I need to